All right, so we're gonna take a stab at one SPY call here. Holy shit, 25% here. I entered on that candle there. Sold all the way at the very tippity top.
When market pulls back and you have a next week expiration contract, the pullbacks are very minor. I mean,
good morning, fellow traders. Currently 7:01 a.m. January 21st, Tuesday. Let's see what we can catch. Markets was closed yesterday, so here is today. Now there's no news today. I'm running the 15-minute time frame across all the screens, as well as have SPY on a lot of different time frames here on another setup. But what I do see here so far is look how much market's pulling back here. So I was eyeing AMD calls above here 123.15, but look at this reject on the 15-minute time frame. Same thing with the 15 minutes on Nvidia. Big push, long way to the upside for a rejection, and here we are trending on downwards. Not exactly sure what's going to go on with the market, but if we take a trade, of course, I'll show you guys. Let's see what we can catch. All right, so we're gonna take a stab at one SPY call here and just take it to the next resistance level. Now the reason why I'm in it is because nice 15-minute candle close above, retest here on the 5 minutes, decent volume. So let's see how these can pay out. Currently just in next week's 602 call, 332 price. Nice 5-minute candle close here, long way to the downside, indicating that buyers are trying to step in. Very good sign for us. Obviously, we need these things to go crazy. So first price target is 601.80. So this is why I like next week contracts. I've been testing them out and I'm still going to test them out because look at this rejection. Even though we're rejecting here, I'm actually still in profits currently. You guys didn't see my contracts, got in at 232 and they're still up 242. So, and EMA is right at my pre-market high 601 level. So I'm enjoying trading next week's contracts so far because even on these rejections, guys, we're still eating. So let me show you guys a 15-minute time frame. So this SPY 15-minute time frame broke out above this area. This is the retest, so that we entered on the retest. So this next 15-minute candle should theoretically pushes on up all the way to 601.80. So SPY is currently at stop loss, and literally stop loss is only 2%, which is $7. So very, very impressed, to be honest. I'm impressed every time I keep seeing something new on this. There we go. We're getting a nice SPY push here, currently hitting 4%, $13 a contract, $14 a contract currently. And let's see how these can run, guys. So guys, we're currently printing on these SPY calls. We need a SPY to get above this resistance level here, and we'll obviously see some more. Currently seeing 9%, 10% here, but of course, guys, these contracts, we need them to flip some more. I'm a positive for now, and I'll see what happens soon. Still in these contracts. They're currently in the money now. I'm at 12% gain, shooting for more, of course, and looking very good, guys. So 5 minutes climbing here very slowly. 9 EMA is also trailing with us, which is perfect. That's exactly what we need, to be honest, because that means we can set our stop loss at the 9 EMA, which will probably be about 6, 7, 8% gains instead of it being 5% L, 2% L. So currently $41 on these contracts, 230 entry, currently at 370 a piece. So let's go. Let's fucking go. Guys, it's probably one of the best positions I've held in a long time. Now I am still just testing out next week contracts, and we did enter somewhere in this general area. I got to go back and look exactly. Let me check my entries. So I entered at 9 a.m. exactly. Actually, it says here on my contracts. So that means 9 a.m. is this candle here. We entered here. Currently hitting 18%. Nice breakout. Retests this 9 EMA, even this pre-market high level, and just continues on. And now we're holding for even more gains, guys. 19% here. About to hit my 20. And of course, we are obviously shooting for more, guys. So this is what market looks like on the 15-minute time frame across the board. As you can see, QQQ here on the top right broke out above this call level, and also breaking above pre-market highs. And same thing with AMD, broke above this call level. Nvidia 2, 50%. So now we just need market to continue on this bullish momentum, and here is SPY 2 on the 15-minute time frame, and then we'll see some more, guys. So that's what we're gonna shoot for. Currently at 20% gains, and we just want to hit 30%. This is the 5 minutes on SPY. Currently contracts are at 393 from 232, and we needed to hold, guys. I do gotta head out here in an hour to go get a bracket on my tooth, so we'll still just manage this trade. But if I do have to leave, honestly, I'll just sell. If I gotta leave out, I'll just sell for a nice gain, guys. We're up 22% here, trying to hit that 30. Now it's looking very strong. Come on, SPY, please, please, please. Holy shit, 25% here. $415 a contract from 330 a piece, man. All right, let's exit out of the bid. $80 a contract. I'm out of there, honestly, because we do got to head out of here anyways. That was such a good trade. I'm very excited for how we executed that one. We got our entry. Our entry, guys, was way down here.
Hey, real quick to get my braces kind of retightened and a bracket fell off. But anyways, guys, we're going to end the vlog here. We have been straight killing it. So we did exactly what I said I'm going to do. And let me tell y'all, if you guys been watching my vlogs, I'm not sure. I'd kind of just be rambling on at this point. At this point, it's just a diary. And when I blow up, I know a lot of people are going to start watching these videos and be like, man, he was saying this. He said he was finna have it. He said he values, and I got it now. Anyways, in last week's videos, I kept mentioning I'm gonna shoot for next week contracts. I'm gonna test them out, see how they work, because I've noticed on pullbacks, when market pulls back and you have a next week expiration contract that's in the money, at the money, or a little bit out the money, the pullbacks are very minor. I mean, the pullback that I got today was only a 4% pullback, but the gain was 25%. You see what I'm saying? So even when the market pulls back, to my stop loss is very small compared to how much I can hold it for. So let me show you guys. See, I'm still watching the market, but these are our contracts here, guys. We got in at 9 a.m., sold at 10:17, so an hour hold, an hour and 17 hold. We got in for 332, sold it at 411. That's a nice $79 gain or $80, whatever the case is. But let me show you how we held. So remember, I entered at 9 a.m. There's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is when I entered. I entered on that candle there. Sold all the way at the very tippity top somehow. Somehow I just instinct knew. 10:17 a.m. That's the top. No, I actually didn't know. Honestly, I thought it was going to continue on higher. But look how much I held, guys. I've been getting a lot better is what I'm trying to say. Same day contracts, of course, these things probably would have went crazy. But I decided to enter on the retest of this pre-market high breakout. So this is the pre-market high here. Get a nice candle break above. Here's the retest, and retest it one more time. Boom. Guys, killing it. Next week, when we take another trade, I'm going to be taking next week's. And then over time, I'll slowly start bringing the contract expirations in closer. For an example, today's Monday. Maybe I might start trading Wednesday expirations or Friday's expirations, especially if I'm correct on a more sooner expiration. They'll pay a lot more better is what I'm trying to say. So let's head on home, guys. It's still barely 11:55 a.m. or 11:35 a.m. I would love to capture another trade, but I got a couple things I got to go do real quick. I got to go run to a bookstore and pick up something that my girlfriend just ordered, as well as I got to go to Safeway to go pick up some dish soap, paper towels, home supplies. But anyways, guys, if we can go home and capture another trade, I'll record it. If not, we'll just end it here, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday's vlog. I appreciate you guys subscribing. Let's continue on up. Let's run up these numbers, and let's go. Barnes & Noble.